Welcome back to Car Stuff PNW. This is Jesse. It's been a while since I've had any updates, but especially an update on the MG here. I was just at Pick and Pull, and I hit the mother load on a car, and I just had to do it. As you can see, I've got a full suspension, front and rear, including a front sway bar from a 92 Civc Ex. So this has the bigger brakes in the front and disc brakes in the back. And then it comes with the lower control arms that have the spot for the front sway bar. And so I need the rear control, the rear discs in order to eventually convert this thing to all-wheel drive. And then, there's nothing wrong with bigger brakes. And I've got a rear sway bar, but I wasn't going to install it until I had a front, because that just unbalances things. So I finally sourced a front sway bar, and then I've got EX brakes, rear discs, and then I can put the rear sway. So I can finally get something done on the MG. I haven't been able to work on it. I've actually been working on my Civic, if you've been following my channel. And so my all I really have time for this year was to fix the rear. And I don't know if you guys can see it, like this part of the car needs to get cut out. It's just rubs on the tires. And so that was the only thing I was really gonna try and do before the, I don't know, summer drive the MG season. But now that I've got this stuff, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I can get this installed too. So yeah, there's a quick little update on the MG for anyone that cares. So give us a like and a subscribe. We'll see you later.